It's all connected. The former Minister of Police and recent SA ambassador to France, Nathi Mthethwa, was found dead in a hotel room in Paris. Here we are watching the Matlanga Commission unfold, and you see this pop up in your screen as breaking news. Recent reports are saying that he was found dead after he fell out of a 22-story hotel room. His window in his hotel room was forced open, apparently. The French police are still investigating. However, he was reported missing yesterday by his wife after she received concerning messages from him. What makes this more complicated and connected is the fact that Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi mentioned him during the Matlanga Commission.
And then I received a phone call from the Minister of Police, Nathi Mthethwa, commissioners. I went to his residence in Waterkloof. And when I arrived there, the Inspector General is sitting on one side of the table. Mr. Mthethwa is sitting on the other side of the table. The minister says to me that I forced the Inspector General of Intelligence to write the letter that says, Muhwebi is wrong, this matter must go to court. She said, I forced her. Then I told her, I said, no, Minister, Advocate Khatib is an old woman. She's an advocate. How can I point a gun at her and force her to write a letter? Besides, when this letter was written in her office, and she actually is not the author of the letter. The author of the letter is Advocate Jay Govender, who is an experienced prosecutor person who's working in that office. She's the one that drafted the letter, not you, not the Inspector General of Intelligence. The minister didn't want to hear any of that. A simple say, must stop prosecuting Ndluli, or must stop disciplinary case against Ndluli. Now, if we talk about political interference, that was the worst I've ever experienced. At that time, Commissioner, I come from the specialized operation. The only thing I know is to chase criminals. And I'm promoted to become the acting National Commissioner, and I'm confronted with this in front of me. And I said, but this is not what I signed for when I joined the police. This can't be right. The minister can't give me these instructions. Then I said to the minister, maybe you brought me into this position and you thought you were going to use me as a pawn because perhaps of my age or whatever, but you are wrong. I'm not going to do that.
After all that, I'm sure Ambassador Mthethwa was going to be called as a witness at the Matlanga Commission, but we'll never have an opportunity to hear what he would have to share. It seems like we're in a very interesting time in South Africa. The more truth gets unraveled, the more it gets tricky for these. All I can say right now is that this doesn't feel like a coincidence. Did he jump out of the window or was he taken out? I guess we'll have to wait to find out what the investigation reveals.